If you've got a party coming up, well, cocktail samosas are a fantastic finger food. But if you want to elevate it slightly and make it a little more substantial, why not make them into samosa sliders? For our cocktail samosas, you can see how cute they are, really bite-sized, and they take no time at all to cook and reheat in the oven. I've got a tray here, and I'm going to place my samosas in the tray. And what I love about this is there's a little surprise in the pack right down the bottom. And these are two of their delicious chutneys. So there's coriander chutney and there's also a mango chutney. And these are going to be delicious condiments to add to our sliders. So we'll place these in, just making sure they don't overlap. That's looking good. And I'm going to cook this in a moderate oven around 175 to 180 for about 15 minutes. Right, they'll take no time at all to heat up. So these chutneys, you can see already they thaw out quite quickly. So we'll just pop them to one side and I'll prepare my mini sliders. So with a serrated knife, I'm just going to cut these mini burger buns in half. You could use these ones, or if you like them slightly sweeter, you could use a brioche bun, as long as they're small just like this. And you can actually get these at the supermarket now, which is great. So after I cut them in half, what I like to do is place a bit of cheese, American-style cheese, onto this. So we'll cut this cheese in half and then in half again. And we'll just place that on top of our burger, just like so. I'm going to warm them up in a pan, so just on a very low heat. We don't want to overcook our buns. We want to melt that cheese. So the lid goes on just so it covers it. And just leave that there for a minute until it just starts to melt. Samosas have come out of the oven piping hot, and you can see this cheese has melted perfectly. So I'm just going to grab a spoon and I'll add a spoonful of our chutney here. We'll start with our green chutney, just a small amount on the cheese. Such an interesting flavour combination. It looks like you're having an American-style burger with Indian flavours, but it just works so nicely. I'll also add some yoghurt for some creaminess, just a small dollop on each. Samosas, I just like to grab a fork and just press down on them slightly. And by doing that, they're just going to sandwich much better. It's okay to expose some of that delicious filling. And what's inside of that? Peas, potato, lots of lovely spices. So just break them up, make them look slightly shaggy, about 1 to 2 on each, depending on how big your burger buns are. And then on they go. To finish off our toasted bun tops, don't forget the mango chutney. I love the sweetness of it. A generous dollop of that on top of each. These are the simple flavours I like to put together. There's no reason why you can't add different types of pickles, a slice of tomato, it's up to you. For some freshness, the addition of some coriander, freshly picked coriander on each, just goes so nicely with it. And then we'll sandwich it together. Look at that. That right there is an absolute flavour bomb. Those cocktail samosas, fantastic as is with those two chutneys, but taking it to the next level by adding it into a mini burger like this, well, that is going to wow your guests.